Okay, children. So, you know the importance of this chapter. I said I had 100 pens. I am going to give 1/5 to my sister. I am going to give 1/5 of the pencils. 1/5 of the pens, sorry, not pencils, 1/5 of the pens to my sister. 1/5 to my sister. So I will write 1/5 of means multiplication. What is the total number of pens? I had 100 pens. 100. So fraction simplification we studied 105 20 times. 1 into 20, 20 pence I gave to my friend. Sorry, sister, right? In this question, sister. I gave 20 pence to my sister. How many pence remaining for me? Remaining number of pence. 100 pence, I gave 20, so 80 pence remaining. Remaining means we have to subtract. 100 minus 20 is 80 pence. So children, keep in mind the important in this is multiplication. Of means multiplication. The word of indicate multiplication. Of means multiplication, and also if you know the total number means you can use multiplication. If you don't know this total number of pens, this total number of pens is missing. Can you use 1/5 into? Can't. You can't use this multiplication if you don't know the total number of pens. Total, whatever, no problem. That is coconuts or king coconuts or mangoes or liters or rupees. Whatever it is, no problem. Total is given means you can use the symbol of multiplication. If total is missing in the question, you can't use multiplication symbol. That is one of the key point you have to understand in this chapter. Okay, what is the key point? I said of means multiplication. Okay, of means multiplication. Okay, I traveled 2/3 of the distance. 2/3 of the distance by bus. I traveled 2/3 of the distance by bus. The total distance is the total distance is 21 kilometer. What is the distance traveled by bus? Listen carefully this question, children. You can understand. I traveled 2/3 of the distance by bus. The total distance is 21 kilometer. What is the distance traveled by bus? First question. What is the distance traveled by bus? Yes, very good. 2/3 of means multiplication. Total, is it given or not? Total distance, is it given or not? Given. What is the total distance? 21 kilometer, 21. 3 and 21 we can simplify. 7. 2 into 7 is 14 kilometer. What is the distance traveled by bus? Is 14 kilometer. Is it clear, children? I didn't control your mic. Please don't try to play by making noises. So if it is not clear, you can ask once again. Okay, 2/3 of the distance traveled by bus. The total distance is 21 kilometer. From 21 kilometer, 21 is the total distance. 21 is like a cake. We cut this cake into 3 parts, and 2 parts is over. 2 parts is over. What is that 2 part? Total distance is 21 kilometer. Divide by 3 is 7 kilometer. Into each is 7 kilometer. 7 kilometer, 7 kilometer, 7 kilometer. What is the distance traveled by bus? Is 14 kilometer. Two third of means multiplication. The distance by bus is, what is the total distance? Total distance is 21 kilometer. 21 and 3 7 times 2 into 7 is 14 kilometer. I traveled by bus. Okay, the second is find the remaining distance. Remaining distance. What is the remaining distance? Remaining means you have to add or subtract or multiply or divide, or what is the operation? Yes, total distance is 21. From 21, if you subtract 14 kilometer, 21 minus 14, 7 kilometer is the remaining distance. We have to deduct. Very good. Okay. So go through. This is the simplest form of fraction, part by part. Now there is a question. Listen carefully. 4/5 of a tank is filled. 4/5 of a tank is filled with water. 4/5 of a tank is filled with water. Okay. The capacity of the tank is 1,000 liter. The capacity of the tank is 1,000 liter. Find the remaining. Find the remaining part which is not filled with water. The question is find the remaining part which is not filled with water. Remaining part or a fraction. Part. Remaining part or a fraction. Remaining part which is not filled with water. The tank is divided into 5 equal parts. Nice tank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. Okay. We will take the cylindrical tank. That is not supporting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. Remaining part which is not, out of 5, 4 is filled with water. 1, 2, 3, 4 part is filled. What is the remaining part of this tank which is not filled with water as a fraction? As a fraction. As a fraction. As a fraction, what is the remaining part? You have to give as a fraction. Remaining part as a fraction. Remaining part as a fraction. Yes, very good. 1/5. Out of 5, 4 part is filled. Another 1 portion is balanced. Okay. The cake is cut into 5 equal parts after school when you are coming home. So the 4 part is over, finished. 1 portion is balanced for you. ஒரே ஒரு துண்டை மீய வச்சுக்கிறோம் உங்களுக்கு. 1 out of 5. That is the remaining part of the tank. Okay, as a fraction. Okay, as a fraction means 105 you have to write. What is the capacity, which is, what is the capacity or what is the volume of the water in the tank? What is the volume of the water in the tank? Volume. What is the volume of the water in the tank? Yes, 4 over 5 of is there. Of means multiplication. Total capacity of the tank is 1000 liter. What is the volume of the water? Is the tank is completely filled? No. 200 into 4 is 800 liter. Okay. As you are asking me to re-explain this, I'm going to explain. Listen carefully. 4/5 of the tank is filled with water. Filled with water. Is the tank is completely filled? Is the tank is completely filled? Yes or no? No. Only 4/5. The total capacity of the tank is, capacity of the tank is 1000 liters. Capacity of the tank is 1000 liter. Question number 1 they are asking. Find the remaining part of my, what is the empty part of the tank as a fraction. Empty, which is not filled with water. Not filled with water as a fraction. Not filled with water as a fraction. Out of five parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Out of 5 parts, 4 is filled. 4 portion is filled. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is not shaded. Which is remaining part. How many portion is remaining? 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5. That's how you have to write as the remaining part as a fraction which is not filled with water. Second one, find the volume of the water in the tank. Volume of water in the tank. Volume of the water in the tank. Is the tank is completely filled? If it is completely filled, the volume and the capacity are equal. That is equals to 1000 liter. Is it completely filled? No. Only 4 portion is filled. So 4 over 5 of means multiplication. What is the total capacity? Total. Is it given? What is the total capacity? That is 1000 liter. 1005 we can cut off 200. 4 into 200 is 800 liter is the volume of the tank. Sorry, volume of the water in the tank. Volume of the water in the tank. Volume of the water in the tank. So keep in mind, children, of means multiplication. That is 1 point. Of under multiplication. That is point number 1. The second point is, if you know the total only. Total is given means you can use multiplication symbol. Total is missing means you can't use multiplication symbol. Here if the 1000 is not given, 1000 is not given means can you put multiplication here? Can't. Then how to do? We will study part by part. If the total is missing, how to find the total? We will study later on. If you keep this in mind, I will ask in future, inshallah, what I have written on my board here, that is screen due to the online classes, on the corner of my whiteboard or white screen la fraction padichakole corner la na elidinatha ya form outtuven because it will helpful for you to study some other chapters also. If you know the total, what is the symbol? You can use multiplication. If you don't know the total, total is missing means can you use multiplication? You can't use multiplication symbol. Okay, now take your textbook, children. Exercise 3.1. Only the first question and the second question you have to answer. Okay, I have given page number 35. The screen shows the questions. You can write only the answers. Question number 1. Okay, question number 1 and this question. Read it to yourself and answer it. Question number 1 and question number 2. Quickly, I am not going to re-explain. I will give the answers only for you. So quickly finish. I will give 10 minutes time. 4 o'clock now. 4:10. I will re-explain. Okay. Okay, hope you have done all the questions. Okay, mark it correct, children. Very easiest question. So simple these questions are. So mark it correct. First one I have already done for you. First one answer is rupees 2,500. Second one is I'm going to write only the answers. Anyone need explanation? You have to inform me quickly, please. Okay, hope no, I didn't get any messages. Okay, mark it correct. Very simple questions. 150 meter. Third one is 1.6 liter. Okay, listen here, children. As you are asking explanation, I told of means multiplication. Is it clear? What is the meaning of of? Of means multiplication. First one here say half of is there, of means multiplication 5,000. Half of 5,000. So 5,000 divided by 2 is 2,500. 1 into 2,500 is 2,500. This is rupees. The answer also rupees 2,500. Okay, second one. 3 over 4. The word of is the of means multiplication. 200 meter. 200. 202 you can simplify 50 times. 3 into 50 is 150. This is meter. You have to write meter. That is the answer. Okay, third one. Third question. 2 over 3. 2 over 3 of means multiplication. 2.4 liter. 2.4. 24 divided by 3 is 0.24 3 is 8 times. 8 into 2 is 16. That is 1.6. This is liter. Here also liter. Or else you can write 1,600 milliliter. That's also correct. Both are correct. Okay, fourth part, fourth question. 1 over 4 of means multiplication 2000 divided by 4 is 500. Okay, that is 500 milliliter. Fifth one, 3 over 5 of means multiplication 250. 250 divided by 5 is 50. 3 into 50 is 150. This is kilogram. You have to write kilogram. Sixth one is 3 over 4 of is their multiplication 4.8. 4.8 divided by 4 is 1.2. 3 into 1.2 is 3.6 kilometer is correct, or else you can write 3600 meter. This also correct. Both are correct. Both the answers are correct. Okay, now see the basic fundamental question of word problem is this. If you can't understand these type of questions, you have to ask. Mr. Upul received rupees 24,000 as his salary last month. Is it his total salary or not? Is this his total salary or not? He received 24,000 as a salary. Is it the part of the salary or full salary? 24,000 is the full salary, his full salary, total salary. This is the total salary of Mr. Upul. Okay, he spent 3/8. Listen carefully. 3 over 8. 3/8. What is the next word? Of. Of means multiplication. Of அங்கால இருக்கிற word பாருங்க. Of it. Of what? Of it. Of what? Of it. For travel expenses. He spent 3 over 8 of it. It na adil. Idil which? What? Salary. What is the salary? Which salary he spent? Of 24,000 into 24,000. So we can simplify 24 by 8 is 3,000. 3 into 3 is rupees 9,000. He spent for traveling purposes. Traveling expenses. Is it clear, children? You have to inform me. Up to this, is there any doubts, any difficulties? You have to ask. Please. No. Sure, right? 100% clear. Okay, very good. Okay, children. Now, before my explanation, let's just read the third question. I am going to read it for you. A household water tank was filled with water when 3/4 of its volume, okay, its volume was used up. 3/4 of its volume was used up. There was 200 liter of water remaining in the tank. That is the question. My question is, I am going to ask you a question. Is the total capacity of the tank is given? Is the total capacity of the tank is given? Quickly put a chat. Yes or no? Put a message saying yes or no. For my question. Is the total capacity of the tank is given? Yes, that is not given. Okay, a household water tank was filled with water when 3/4 of means multiplication of its volume. What is the volume of the tank? Is it given to apply here? Is it given to apply here? No, not given. So you can't use this method. 3 over 4 you can write. You can put the multiplication because the word of is there. And the total capacity is not given. Question mark. So can you multiply? Can you divide a question mark by 4? Can you divide a question mark by 4, children? Can't. You can't divide a question mark by 4. So you can't apply this method. So that is what we are going to study now. Okay. Okay. Keep that in mind. If the total is missing, how to find the total and how to answer the questions we are going to study now. Okay, children, of means you have to use multiplication. So listen carefully how to apply such type of questions. How to do and how to find the questions related to these things. Okay. So listen here. It takes, read it yourself. Okay, not for me. It takes 12 minutes to fill 1/4 of a certain tank. 1/4 of a tank. 1/4 of a tank. It takes 12 minutes to fill 1/4 of a tank. Okay, only one line I have written. It takes 12 minutes to fill 1/4 of a tank. So listen here, children. Only there are 2 digits here. Only 2 digital formats here. This is not digit. This is English. It is an English word. This is an English. We are studying maths. So I am going to circle the mathematical terms. This is max, correct? Numbers. Max are from you created by digits. 12 is a number, 1/4 is a number. Okay, children, now my question is 12 minutes, is it the total time taken to fill the entire tank? 12 minutes, is it the total time taken to fill the entire tank? Yes or no? No. That is not the total time. So, if the total is not given, can you write 1/4 of is there? Multiplication 12. Can you write this way? Can't. Very good. Because why you can't write after the symbol of multiplication? This must be a total. Is it the total time taken 12 minutes? No, then you can't write this format. Then how to write? Yes, we'll think little practically. Okay. Practical decide pani papom. A tank is this. Oh, we'll draw a cylindrical tank, right? Cylindrical water tank. You know what is a water tank? Cylindrical water tank. Nice tank, right? Okay. So 1/4 of the tank. Is the tank is completely filled? Is the tank is completely filled? This is not like a tank. It is like a sack, right? Okay. Don't go through my diagrams. Okay. Nice drawings. Don't go through, right? Don't enjoy my drawings. Okay. So the tank is divided into 4 parts. The tank is divided into 4 parts. Out of 4, one portion is filled. One part. To fill one part, what is the time taken to fill this part? To fill, the tank is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. To fill a part, one part out of 1/4, one part, it takes 12 minutes. To fill this part, it takes 12 minutes. That is the question given here. Am I correct? To fill one part, it takes 12 minutes. Find the time it takes to fill the whole tank. Find the time it takes to fill the whole tank. Find the time it takes to fill the whole tank. Find the time it takes to fill the whole tanks. Yes, yes, see. To fill this part, it's taking 12 minutes. To fill this part also, it will take 12 minutes because equal parts. Equal parts. Here also 12 minutes. Here also 12 minutes. So what is the total time taken? 12, 12, 12, 12. So 12
48 minutes.
to 4 is 48 minutes. Very good. Okay, but children here, see, we can't keep on drawing the diagram and check each and every time. My sound is not enough. Can't you hear? Why? What's happening? I can't shout more than this. The neighbors will come inside and check what's going on. Okay, that much shouting I am. Okay, enough. Okay, so we can't draw the diagram all the times. That is not the way. Okay, drawing is, if it is art means we can draw. It is wastage of time. How to find this 48 minutes is, keep in mind children, the method is 1 over 4 is the fraction. We wrote 1 over 4. Total is given. Means total given means I told you can put multiplication. Total is missing means for that part is you have to put equal mark. Only for this part it takes 12 minutes. The suitable fraction you have to write equal mark. To quarter part it takes 12 minutes. To fill quarter of the tank it takes 12 minutes. So if the total is given, you can put multiplication. If the total is missing, you have to put equal mark. Equal for the suitable fraction. Okay, now I am going to give you a sentence. You have to by heart it. So practically it should be by hearted. Okay, children, listen. If a fraction, that is my own creation, right? That is my own creation. Okay, listen carefully. That is not a rule. To make it easy, we have to find some own creations. Okay, so that is if condition. You know what is if condition? If a fraction equals to something, no problem. That is minutes or coconuts or mangoes or apples or areas or rupees, whatever it is, liter, kilogram, milliliter, number of children, whatever it is, no problem. Fraction வந்து equal mark கொண்டு வந்து equalக்கு அங்கால வர unit maybe a fraction, sorry, maybe rupees, coconuts, king coconuts or mangoes or apples or liter or milliliter, whatever it is, no problem. To find the total, to find the total, fraction will change as upside down, reciprocal. Fraction will change as upside down, reciprocal. What will happen to the fraction? Fraction will change upside down or reciprocal to find what? To find the total. If a fraction equals to something, to find the total, fraction will change as upside down reciprocal. So this is 12 as it is, that is not a fraction. This fraction will change upside down reciprocal into 4 over 1. Denominator 1 means we can ignore it. 12 fours are 48. This is minutes. This also minutes. So, if a fraction equals to something, to find the total, fraction will change as reciprocal, upside down. Reciprocal, upside down. Okay, children, I'm going to tell in Tamil. Before that, I will explain that. Once again. Okay, it takes 12 minutes to fill 1/4 of a tank. Okay, tank. Find the time it takes to fill the whole tank. Find the total time it takes to fill the whole tank. Total is missing, so you can't put multiplication. 104 into 12 means that is wrong. Exactly, that is wrong. So read the question carefully. The total is missing, so you can't use multiplication. You have to use equal mark. 1/4 is equals to 12 minutes. Okay, if a fraction equals to something, or a fraction இதுக்கு சரி ஈக்குவலண்டா பரவாயில்ல, நோ ப்ராப்ளம், நோ ப்ராப்ளம், வாட் எவர் இட் இஸ், எதுவா இருந்தாலுமே பிரச்சனை இல்லை, நோ ப்ராப்ளம், வாட் எவர் இட் இஸ். To find the total, to find what, children? To find the total, I will write in the large number, that is the biggest word, digit, sorry, letters. Y means that is important, because to find the total, to find what? To find the total, fraction will change as reciprocal, upside down. To find the total, fraction will change as reciprocal. 12 into, this is the fraction taking to the side, reciprocal, 4 over 1. 12 into 4 is 48 over 1. We can ignore it. Denominator 1, no need to write. Denominator 1 means no need to write. That is 48 minutes is the total time taken to fill the tank completely. Okay, another example related to this. Another example related to this. Go through. Read it yourself and imagine your answers. Imagination. any problem. The situation is very risky. Okay, so be careful, right? Okay, the conditions. Okay, children, now read the question. Selva can travel 3/5 of the distance from home to school by bus. Is Selva traveling the total distance by bus? School ಇಂದ ಊಟಲೆ ಕಿಟೇರಿ school ಕಿಟೇ ಬೇತರಂಗ್ರ ಬಸ್ಲ. Is he traveling the total distance by bus? No.
No.
3/5 of the total distance. What is the total distance? Is it given?
No.
Is the distance is total distance is given? No, the total distance is not given. Then can I write 3/5 into 12? Can I write like this?
Can't.
Can't. Why? Why can't write? Because 12 is not the total distance. 12 is not the total distance. So 3/5. Here see the word. This distance traveled by bus. This distance is. In max, is means what is the symbol?
Multiplication.
No. Is means in max. Is means
Equal.
equal. Very good. Max is the equal mark. So 3/5 equals to 12. Now see my word. Fraction equals to something. Fraction is there, equal is there, something is there. To find the total, what will happen to the fraction?
It will change to reciprocal.
Very good. 12 into which is the numerator and which is the denominator?
5 and 3.
5/3. Simplification is 3 and 12 4 times. 4 into 5 is 20 kilometer is the total distance from school to home. Home to school or school to home. Is it clear? The thing here is equal mark is there means you have to reciprocal it. To find what? The marakra in the word marakra. To find what? To find the total. To find the total, fraction will change as reciprocal, upside down. Okay, if you want to check it diagram wise, diagram draw panitan paakonumunda. Okay, listen carefully. This is the distance from school to home. School to home or home to school. So distance is divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, 3 portion. 3 parts is going to travel. 3 parts is going to travel by bus. This is by bus. How many kilometers is going to travel by bus? This distance is 12 kilometer. Bus distance is 12 kilometer. Then each box how many kilometer? 3 parts is 12. One part is how many kilometer? 3 portionum saying 12 kilometer. One portion is 4 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 4 kilometer. Correct? No? 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. That is by bus. What is the total distance then? Here 4, 4, 4 means this also 4, this also 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 20 kilometer. Diagram wise also you can find, children. But how can you get marks for the diagrams? So that's why I have introduced the method to get the marks. Even though the answer is correct according to the mental math, but you have to check the method. You have to know the method. So what is the method? I said if a fraction is equals to something, no problem. Number of cows, goats, or cats, or bulls, or coconuts, or toffees, or pens, or pencil, or kilometer, or milliliter, or area, whatever it is, or rupees, to find the total fraction will change as reciprocal upside down. Fraction will change as reciprocal upside down. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, now take your books, children. Take your textbook. Now we will go through question number 3. Read it, children. You have to read it carefully. The reading is very, very important in this chapter. And also, normally, நீங்கள் அப்படித்தானே வசன கணக்கு வந்தா வசனத்துல வந்தா என்ன சரி உங்களுக்கு மற்ற பாடங்களோ ஐ டோன்ட் நோ அபவுட் தி அதர் சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் நார்மலா செல்ற ஒரு வசனம் தான் திருப்பி திருப்பி வாசிங்க. ஒரு முறை வாசிச்சா விளங்காது, 2 முறை வாசிங்கோ விளங்காது, 3 முறை வாசிங்கோ விளங்காட்டி 4 முறை வாசிங்கோ இல்லாட்டி விளங்காட்டி 5 முறை வாசிங்கோ அப்படி சொல்றதானே. But in fraction, the one and only reading must be there. ஒரு முறை வாசிச்சு விளங்கலையா ரெண்டாவது முறை ரீட் பண்ண போனா விளங்கின கொஞ்சமும் இல்லாம போகும். The third time you are going to read means you can't do the question. The number of times you are reading means you have to leave the questions without doing. The one and only time you have to read to answer these type of question. Fraction word problem. Only for the fractions word problem, you have to read only one time. You will find the answers definitely. If you are following my method, you will find the answers definitely without any mistakes. Okay, children. Now we are going to move to imagination word. Okay, I'm going to read the question. Don't read quickly and finish it. அவசர அவசரமா வாசிச்சு முடிச்சவான அப்ப முடிச்சிட்டு திருப்பி இன்னொருக்கா வந்தா தலைவலி. Okay, a household water tank was filled with water when 3/4 of its volume was used. Is the water is completely used? No, which is used? How much is used? What is the used part? Which part is used as a fraction?
3/4 of the tank.
3/4 of the tank. I didn't read the balance. I read only up to here. இனை வரையும் தான் வாசிச்சுக்கிறேன் நான். ஃபுல் ஸ்டாப் ஒண்டில ஆனா நானே வச்சு கொண்டிருக்கிறேன். Okay, so listen here. Yes, I will send the recordings if I didn't face any difficulties in my Google Drive. There is a problem in my Google Drive. If when we are, sometimes I face difficulties when converting the recordings. I can record, they are showing the recordings. When converting the recordings, they will give a notification message. The data, Google Drive data is in risk if you convert this recording. Sometimes I face those type of risks, then I'm not going to convert it. So whenever the time I'm recording, I will try to convert it. Sometimes there will be a message. I don't know when. After the end of the session only, I will find the mistake. Okay, I don't know why there is a problem. I think due to the corona situation, my PC also not supporting. Okay, so sorry. That is the main reason I'm not recording this session. Okay, children, I will if it is okay, I will send the recordings. Okay, So is it clear? I didn't read. Sometimes you have read the full question. Neenga vaasichi mudinjikuma, but I didn't read. Okay, a household water tank was filled with water. Completely filled with water. They have given. The household water tank was filled with water. Completely filled with water. When water full stop is there. When 3/4 of its volume was used. Used. What part is used? 3/4. Is it clear? Is it clear, children?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Yes.
After the usage, which part is remaining? I didn't read the question. I'm just thinking, imagination of my stock tank. Okay. I'm going to imagine my stock tank. After I use 3/4 of the tank, how much will be remaining? Because there will be a power cut sometimes, morning 9 to 5 o'clock till. Okay. So if there is a power cut, we can't get water also because we are using a motor. Okay. So I use 3/4 of the tank. So what is the remaining part of water in the tank? In my tank.
1/4.
Is it clear? I use 3/4 of the water in my tank. What is the remaining part of the water in my tank is 1/4. Is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
madam.
Yes. அப்படின்னா கேக்க நாளா வெட்டி 3 துண்டு திண்டாச்சு. இன்னும் பேலன்ஸ் ஆயிக்கிற எத்தனை பார்ட்? ஒரே ஒரு துண்டு தான் மிஞ்சிக்கிற. 4ல 1 pieces தான் பேலன்ஸ். அது மாதிரி தான் ரிமைனிங். Total number is 4. Out of 4ல 3 portions is over. The balance remaining is 1/4. To find the remaining, if you have any difficulties, you can ask. ரிமைனிங் கண்டுபிடிச்சது விளங்காதாக்கள் மட்டும் தயவு செய்து ப்ளீஸ் ஆஸ்க் நவ் இட் செல்ஃப். No. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to read. Of its volume, okay, as you're asking to re-explain is, listen. Okay, a household water tank was filled with water. Full stop is there. When 3/4 of its volume was used. Use maniachi. What portion is used? Is it completely used? No. 3/4 is used. There was now after using, I didn't read. With this full stop, I have finished reading. After using 3/4 tank la, okay, 3/4 tank is divided into 4 equal parts. I have used 1, 2, 3 portions I have used. How much is balance? Now what is remaining part? What is remaining part? What is remaining part?
1/4.
What is the remaining part of the tank I didn't use? Remaining part of the tank which I didn't use. Tank full-ஆ நிறைஞ்சிச்சு. அதுல 3 portions யூஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்ப tankல இன்னும் தண்ணி மிஞ்சிக்கிறான். How much is remaining? Which part is remaining? You have to write as a fraction first. 1/4 is remaining. Is it okay? Okay,
Yes.
Okay, now I am going to continue my reading. Used, okay. Up there was 200 liter of water remaining in the tank. 200 liter of water remaining in the tank. 200 liter of water remaining in the tank. Okay, that 200 liter of water. Okay, children, listen here. A household water tank was filled with water when 3/4 of its volume was used. The used part is 3/4. Okay, then the remaining part, I didn't read. Before reading, I have written 1/4 is remaining. Remaining 200 liter is remaining in the tank. Now, which is 200 liter? Is this 200 liter or is this 200 liter or the total capacity is 200 liter? Is it the used is 200 liter or remaining is 200 liter or total is 200 liter?
Remaining.
Remaining.
If it is total, what is the symbol we can use?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Total is given?
No.
No, this is not 200 liter, that is wrong. This is also not 200 liter. 200 liter is only the remaining is 200 liter. Then 1/4 is, can you put multiplication 200? Can you put multiplication 200? Is it the total is 200?
Can't.
Can't. Then
Can't.
what
No.
is the symbol you have to use?
Equal.
Very good. Okay. Equal mark. I have got the answer with the message also. Okay. Very good. Okay. Equal mark. Now listen. Fraction equals to something. To find the children. To find what? Total. Very good. To find the total, what will happen to the fraction?
It will change to reciprocal.
Reciprocal. 200 into fraction is 4/1. That is 800 liter is the total capacity of the tank. Okay, now the first question I'm going to read now. What fraction of the whole tank was the remaining volume of the water equals to? Remaining fraction. Remaining fraction we have already written. Remaining, here say remaining as a fraction 1/4. That is the first one answer. We are going to number. Second one, find the capacity of the tank. The total capacity of the tank. Second one, you got full marks. I got full marks because I did the sum. Okay, children. Okay, listen the fifth one now. Okay, I will give 5 minutes to do the fifth question. நீங்க fifth question செஞ்சு ஆன்சரை வச்சுக்கோங்க பாப்போம் whether you got it or not. நீங்க உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் சரியா வருதான்னு பாப்போம். Only the fifth question. Don't go to do the fourth question. Okay, he saves 5/8. The balance is 3/8. That is 2700. Fraction equals to 2700 means to find the total, fraction will change as reciprocal. Fraction will change as reciprocal. 3 1 times, 27 9 times. 900 into 8 is rupees 7200. Now, first question is, what fraction of the value of the bicycle does he now need to save? He saved 5/8. Need to save is 3/8. That is the first question answer, 3/8. Find the value of the bicycle. What is the value of the bicycle? Total value of the bicycle is the second part. 7200. Is it okay? Okay. Now, fourth question. I am going to do the fourth question. Please, children, you have to repeat at home the whole questions. Okay. 3/7 of a plot of land belonging to Pradeep. So, fourth question. The portion which is belonging to Pradeep. What part is belonging to Pradeep? The total part is belonging to Pradeep. Total part is belonging to Pradeep. Is the total land is belonging to Pradeep?
No.
Yes, first
No.
question answer one 3/8. Is the total land is belonging to Pradeep? No.
No.
Out of 7, 3 portion is for Pradeep. So not belonging to Pradeep. Not belonging to Pradeep. Which part is not belonging to Pradeep?
4/7.
Very good. Okay. 4/7.
4/7.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Only I read up to here. ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുന്ന വാസിച്ചിക്കറ പാരുங்க 3/7 of a plot of land belonging to Pradeep. 3/7 is belonging to Pradeep. Which is not belonging to Pradeep is 4/7. Out of 7, 4 portion is belonging to some other people. Okay. He bought. Now listen here, children. This is the very important part. He bought. He is going to buy. He bought. He's going to buy. He bought 1/4. 1/4. After 1/4, go through the word. What is the word? Of. Of means? Of means
Multiplication.
multiplication. He bought 1/4 of. Of means multiplication. I will write bought itself. Otherwise, you will ask why. Okay. He bought 1/4. 1/4 of means multiplication of the portion of land which did not belong to him. Which not belonging to him. Which is not belonging to him. Which part is not? Is it 3/7 is not belonging to him or 4/7 is not belonging to him?
4/7.
Then of, after of, you have to write 4/7, which is not belonging to him. அவருக்கு சொந்தம் இல்லாததுல இருந்துதான் குவார்டரை மறுவா வாங்குற. அவருக்கு சொந்தம் இல்லாத land 4/7, அதுல குவார்டர் he is going to buy. Not the full land. Full landலயும் குவார்டரை வாங்குறேன்னு சொல்றல. அப்ப 1/4 of means multiplication of what? Of full land? No. Okay, we'll explain again. Listen carefully. Children, these type of questions only coming for your exam. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, 3/7 is belonging to Pradeep. Belonging to Pradeep is, belongs to Pradeep is 3/7. Not belonging to Pradeep. Not belonging to Pradeep is 4/7. Is it clear? Now, he's doing some other thing. He got more money. இப்ப காணி ஆசை வந்திருக்கிற அவர்கிட்ட இருக்கிறது போதாண்டு இன்னும் வாங்க போறேன். Okay, so 1/4 of the portion. Okay, so he bought. He's going to buy. Bought 1/4. 1/4 equal fraction of. Of means multiplication of not belonging to him. Which is not belonging to him? Is it 3/7 is not belonging to him or 4/7 is not belonging to him?
4/7.
Very good. Then you have to write 4/7, which is not belonging to him. So multiplication is like a seesaw. We can cross over 4. Then 1/7 he bought. Okay, and annexed it to his plot. Annexed it. Annexed it na vaanginathe enna seira? Join. Then you have to add or subtract or multiply or divide. Add. Which part? Already Pradeep belonging is, now he owns. What is the new part? Is already he had 3/7. Now he bought another 1/7. The total part belonging to Pradeep is 4/7. Okay, now listen. Now how much is remaining, which is not belonging to Pradeep? Now Pradeep's part. Now belonging to Pradeep is 4/7. Now remaining part of the land not belonging to Pradeep. 3/7. Okay. Now we'll read what fraction of the total plot of land did Pradeep buy? Children, நீங்க பாருங்க பிள்ளை விடுற 1/4 தானே he bought 1/4 எழுதுறீங்க நீங்க அப்ப பிள்ளை that is wrong. 1/4 வாங்கல quarter land வாங்கல 1/4 of the remaining land he bought. அப்ப he bought is 1/7. That is the first one answer. Second one, show that Pradeep now owns more than half the plot of land. What is out of 7? What is the half the plot of land? 7 la half? 3.5. Pradeep's portion is 4/7. That is greater, more than half. Pradeep owns 4/7. That is more than half. If the area of the remaining portion remaining after Pradeep had bought a part, remaining is means equal is, which is equals to 240, is 3/7 or 4/7 or 1/7 or 4/7 or 3/7, which is equals to 240. Which is equals to 240 remaining. Yes, very good. 3/7. Yes, 3/7 after at the end. This is equals to 240. Then what is the operation you have to do? Fraction equals to something means you have to find the total. What will happen to the fraction? 240 into fraction will change as reciprocal. Yes, 7/3. 3 and 24, 8 times 80 into 7 is 560 meter squared. Okay, is it clear, children?
ടീച്ചർ ഇന്ത്യക്കും ക്ലാസ് ലേറ്റ് ആയി വന്നതിനെ വേഗം പഠിച്ചു വിട്ട കുഞ്ഞെ.
Oh, who is there? Yaar ade? Who is there?
സഫ.
No, dear, you have to join after 5:15. This is grade 10 class. 5:15 ku poro join aavo. Join 5:15, right? Okay, children, I will re-explain this inshallah tomorrow morning. Till that, I have given the 3.1 exercise fully as a homework. This exercise full, you have to try 3.1 exercise. Fully, you have to try as a homework. Full 1 to 8. Okay, then you will face the difficulties. நீங்க question read பண்ணாம நாளைக்கு class attend பண்ணினா you don't know how to இது இப்படி வந்தன்னு விளங்காது. At least read the question. Read பண்ணி ஒரு 2 lines சரி எழுதுங்க. நான் இப்ப பாருங்க used save எழுத தெரியும் தானே, save எழுதுறது 5/8. அப்படி ஒரு பார்ட் சாரி எழுத இயலாம போறேன், அதுக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு மார்க்ஸ் சீக்கிரம் 1 marks 2 marks இதுக்கு ஒவ்வொரு மார்க்ஸ் சீக்கிரம் each and every step. So try to write at least the minimum number of questions. Yes, the full exercise is homework. Now up to 5 we discuss. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6th one, 7th one, 8th one is homework. Okay. And if you don't know the 4th question, I will re-explain inshallah morning, tomorrow morning. 10:30, right? Okay, children. 10:30. Okay, assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah khair. Any difficulties, any doubts before leaving, you have to ask means you can ask.
Jazakallah khair, teacher.
Okay, barakallah. Okay. Please,
Thank you, madam.
welcome. Please
Assalamualaikum.
do the questions. Walaikum salam. Please do the questions. Okay, I will send the answers for square root questions and we will finish the doubts tomorrow, inshallah. Okay. Please, children. Ipa velanginandi kama second question, third question, fifth question, you have to repeat. நீங்க செஞ்சு பார்க்காட்டி நாளைக்கு கிளாஸ் உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா அமையாது. So please, now itself practice. Okay, square root also, decimal question will explain inshallah tomorrow, right? Or when the physical class is starting means I will clear off the doubts. Okay, children, jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much.